How to fix the missing Instagram feature. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having the problems with missing Instagram features, first and foremost, you have to update your Instagram. Instagram frequently releases the new features that may only work on the latest app version. So to do so, head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram and tap on Update button. This will start the download as well as installation. Once that is done, tap on it and see if the new features are available. However, some Instagram features are rolled out regionally or in phases, so they will not be available in your area yet. In that cases, you can join the beta version. Step third, long press the Instagram app and go to app info. Tap on storage and cache and clear the cache. This way, any temporary glitches can be solved and the corrupted files could be resolved. After that, make sure to restart or reinstall the application. This will fix any app related issues, including missing features. However, if the issue still persists, you can check for Instagram's help center to looking for updates or troubleshooting advice regarding the missing features. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.